Good morning children, I hope class 6 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As you know, we have been doing exercise 2E, already we have completed up to question number 25. In last video you must have seen question number 21 to 25. So, I expect that up to question number 25 you must not be having any problem, you must have completed in your notebook. So, today we are going to see question number 26 to 30 and this will be last video for this exercise 2E. So, let us start. We are going to solve exercise 2E, question number 26 to 30. Here you see your 26th question is, three boys step off together from the same place. If their steps measure 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 54 centimeter, at what distance from the starting point will they again step together? See, in this type of question, especially in exercise 2E, by seeing question only, just you find out LCM and you will get the answer. But that is not the solution till you are not understanding question. And here in this exercise especially only LCM you need to find out. So, you will find out LCM and you will get answer. But if mixed question will come where you need to understand, we need to find out HCF or LCF or some other thing, then you will be confused. So, it is better you try to learn properly, try to understand properly why LCM will be required to be found out. Try to understand question, what question is asking and why we need to find out LCM, not HCF or any other thing. That is more important, so that you will be more confident by understanding and you will be able to solve question yourself. You can judge yourself what you need to find out, and that is more important. Here you see three boys step off together from the same place. Suppose three boys are there. Here you have first boy, second boy and third boy. They step together. If their steps measure 36 centimeter, one boy you have that has step that long, how much longer it is? That is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. Second boy you have, his step is longer than this, that is 48 centimeter. Third boy you have, suppose he is taller and his step is longer than them, so that is 54 centimeter. Now what they will do? Suppose this first boy, his first step is 36 centimeter, second step will be again 36 centimeter, means total 72 centimeter. Then third step will come, fourth step will come and so on. Here first step, second boy is having 48 centimeter, second step will be double of that, again 48 centimeter it will come and again 48 centimeter it will come and that will go on. Here 54 centimeter is there, so next step will be again 54 centimeter and this will go on. Now, you need to find out at what distance from the starting point will they again step together. Here they have stepped together, first step they had same, but because their size of step is different, 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 54 centimeter, you need to find out next time when they will meet together, there is steps will be together at what distance from here. So, what you need to find out, just you think yourself, 36, 36, 36 and multiple of 36 will come. Then multiple of 48 you need to find out. Then multiples of 54 you will find out. And then you will see where they are meeting together, means common multiple where it is. Common multiple of 36, 48 and 54 where they will get together, common multiple, at that point they will meet together again and steps will be together. So, finally, what you are finding out? What you are finding out? Least common multiple. Many common multiple might be, but least one, the least common multiple you need to find out. It means LCM you need to find out, and that is why we need to find out LCM. This is very important to understand why LCM is required to be found out. So, I hope you understood why LCM will be required to be found out. We need to find out least common multiple of these three numbers. Here you see, at what distance from the starting point will they again step together? You can write, to get the desired distance, we need to find out LCM of 36, 48 and 54. So, by any method you find out LCM of 36, 48 and 54 by division method or prime factorization method. So, by division method we will find out. Here you see 36, 48 and 54 you have. This will be divisible by which number? By 2 you start, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 24 2 ja 48, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, then by 2 again, 2 9 ja 18, 2 12 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. 27 will not be divisible, just you need to take down 27. Now, by 3 it will be divisible, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja 27, and again by 3 it will be divisible, 3 1 ja 3, 4 you take down, 3 3 ja 9. So, finally, now you have prime numbers, it will not be divisible by any other number. Your LCM will be product of these all. So, LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 3. You multiply this, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 and again 4 3 ja 12, 36 into 12. You see 36 into 12, 12 6 ja 72, 12 3 ja 36 and 7 43. It means 432, and this is in centimeter. So, this will be centimeter. At what distance their steps will be together? At 432 centimeter from the starting. So, this can be either answer can be written 432 centimeter or it can be converted into meter and centimeter. If you are converting into meter, it will be 432 divided by 100. Why? Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So, if you are dividing this, what you will get? 4, this 2 zeros are there, here decimal will be put. So, 4 meter and 32 centimeter, or simply you can write, if you face difficulty in division, then what you can be written? 432 centimeter means 400 centimeter plus 32 centimeter. 400 centimeter means 4 meter and 32 centimeter. So, this will be your answer, and how you will write answer? Hence, how you will write? At what distance from the starting point will they again step together? At 4 meter 32 centimeter from the starting point they will again step together. They will again step together, and this will be your answer. In this way we need to write down. So, I hope you understood why we have found out LCM and how we will find out LCM and how answer is required to be written. Next question you see, the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they start changing simultaneously at 8 am, after how much time will they change again simultaneously? Means together, simultaneously means together, if they are they start changing at 8 am, at next time at what time they will again change together. So, after interval of 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds, these 3 traffic lights they change. So, here you see, suppose you have the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings. Suppose first road crossing you have this one, second road crossing you have suppose, and this is third road crossing you have. Here in first place, at first place, that what light you have, that changes in after 48 seconds. Every after 48 seconds that changes. In next traffic light you have after every 72 seconds that changes, and at third traffic light that changes in after every interval of 108 seconds. So, if suppose at 8 am they changed together, so at next time when they will change again together simultaneously, you need to find out. So, again the same thing is required to be done as in previous question I had told you. The multiples of 48, multiples of 48 will be 48 into 2, 48 into 3, 48 into 4, whatever will come, 48 into 5 and so on it will come. Then multiples of 72 means 72 into 2, 72 into 3, 72 into 4, whatever it will come, and 108, multiples of 108 will be into 2, 108 into 3 and so on. So, somewhere what product you will get, they will have some common factor, or they will have some common multiple, not factor, common multiples. They will have some common multiples. At that time they will again simultaneously together they will change. So, that common multiple we need to find out, least common multiple. So, these things you no need to write, for making you understand I am writing these things. How you will solve? You need to find out directly from the starting from the LCM, how we will solve, you see. These things for making you understand I have written. How we will write down, you see, for the desired number or desired time, we need to find LCM of 48, 72 and 108. And why we need to find out LCM of these? I hope you understood, because multiples, common multiples we need to find out, least common multiple of these 3 numbers. Then we will come to know they will change together at what time. So, you find out 48, 72 and 108. we have not 42, 48, 72 and 108. 48, 72 and 108. You start with a 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18 and 27 you need to take down. Then 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. Now you have got prime number. So, now you need to multiply this so that you will get LCM. So, your LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3, and this will be 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So, you have got 27 and 16. 16 7 ja 112. You have written 2, 11 you have, 16 2 ja 32 and 1 33 and 10 43. So, what you have got? 432. This is in second has been given. So, 432 seconds. So, you can write after 432 seconds again they will change together, or if you need to convert that into minute, it can be converted. You need to divide this by 60. So, it will be converted into minute. You divide this 432 divided by 60. So, this will be 6 7 ja 700, 6 7 ja 42. So, what you will get? 2 and 1. It means 7 minute, you have got 7 minute and 12 seconds. So, after 7 minute 12 seconds they will change simultaneously. So, you can write answer, hence these 3 traffic lights will change together after 7 minute and 12 seconds simultaneously. This will be your answer. In this way, this question is required to be solved. Next question you see, 3 measuring rods are 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 75 centimeter in length. What is the least length in meters of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these 3 rods? Suppose you have 3 rods. This is 45 centimeter. Next you have 50 centimeter, and third you have that is 75 centimeter. What is the least length of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these 3 rods? Suppose you have, you do not know what length will be required of this rope. This length of rope you need to find out, so that if you are measuring with 45 centimeter, suppose 45, 45, 45 and 45, exactly it should come, exactly it should measure. If suppose you have started with this 45 centimeter like this, and exactly it is coming, and with this rod also, if you are measuring, exactly it should end over here. With 75 centimeter also rod, what measuring rod you have, with that you are measuring, exactly that will measure up to here. So this length of rope you need to find out. So how will you find out? Again, multiples of 45, multiples of 50 and multiples of 75 we need to find out, and then we need to see what is the least common multiple. Multiples of 45, multiples of 50 and multiples of 75. Why you are multiplying? 45, 45, 45, 45. Suppose 4 multiples you got. 50 you will see how many multiples it will be. 75 you will see how many multiples it will be. So where least common multiple you will get, that will be the required length of rope. So you need to find out LCM of these 3 numbers. For getting the desired length of rope, we need to find out the LCM of 45, 50 and 75. You find out LCM 45, 50 and 75. 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50, 5 1 ja 5, 2 you have 25, it became 5 5 ja 25. Now 9 you take down, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. By 3 you divide, 3 3 ja 9, 2 you take down, 3 1 ja 3. Now these are prime numbers, it will not be divisible. So you have left with 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. So your LCM will be 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. You multiply this, what we will get? 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50 and 3 3 ja 9. So 9 5 ja 45, means 450 you will get. So 450 is what? Centimeter, because centimeter has been given these. Now you need to write answer in meter, it has been written. So that will be equal to 450 centimeter can be written as I made you understand in previous question, 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Directly you can divide by 100 and you can get answer, or you can write in this way also, 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, it means 4 meter and 50 centimeter, and this will be your answer. So how you will write answer? I made you understand. You write down yourself by saying this. How will you write? What is the length, least length of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these 3 rods? How will you write? Your answer will be, the least length of rope will be 4 meter and 50 centimeter that can be measured by the full length of each of these 3 rods. In proper way you need to write answer. Next we will see, an electronic device makes a beep after every 15 minutes. Another device you have that makes a beep after every 20 minutes. They beeped together at 6 am. At what time will they next beep together? Suppose one device you have that is beeping in every after interval of 15 minutes. Suppose one device you have that is beeping after every 15 minutes. after every 15 minutes this is beeping, suppose like this, after every 15 minutes. And second device you have that beeps after 20 minutes, after 20 minutes like this. So, again multiples of 15 and multiples of 20, you find out where you will get least common multiple, and that will be your answer. Here you see, for getting the desired number, we or time we can write desired time, we need to find out LCM of 15 and 20. We need to find out LCM of 15 and 20. So, your LCM will be, you find out LCM of 15 and 20, 15 and 20, 5 3 j 15 and 5 4 j 20. Now, it will not be divisible, your LCM will be 5 into 3 into 4 means 5 3 j 15, 15 4 j 60, and 60 is what? Minute. If you want to change into hour, it will be divided by 60 hour, 60 by 60 hour, it means 1 hour. It will be cancelled and you will get 1 hour. So, they beeped together at 6 am. Suppose at 6 am they beeped together. So, after 1 hour they will beep together, it means at 7 o'clock they will beep together. So, your answer will be, at what time will they next beep? They will beep together at next time, or next time, right? Next time at 6 plus 1, it means 7 am, and this will be your answer. In this way, you need to find out solution. Next question, you see, the circumference of 4 wheels are 50 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. They start moving simultaneously, and least distance should they cover? What least distance should they cover, so that each wheel makes a complete number of revolutions? Try to understand the question. First, what question is saying, and then you need to find out the answer simply by saying. Many of you might be doing, if you are finding out just LCM of 50, 60, 75 and 100, and if you are writing answer, that is not good. You try to understand the question first. So, we will try to understand question first, then we will solve. The circumference of 4 wheel, first you need to understand what is circumference. The length of the boundary of the wheel, or the length of the boundary of the circle, is called its circumference. Here you see, suppose you have 4 wheels, suppose you have 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 wheels you have. So, the circumference of 4 wheels, circumference means the length of the boundary. From, suppose you are measuring from here to up to here again, this length of the boundary is called the circumference. So, circumference of 4 wheels are 50 centimeters. Suppose first wheel you have, this is C is equal to 50. Second wheel you have, C is equal to 60. Here you have C is equal to 75, and here you have C is equal to 100. This circumference has been given. Now, they start moving simultaneously, they start moving together. What least distance should they cover so that each wheel makes a complete number of revolution? So, if they are making complete revolution, and at what distance they will, all wheels will complete their complete revolution. Complete revolution means, suppose this is your wheel. So, if it is making a complete revolution, then it will start moving. So, when it will move, at what distance it will cover? What distance it will cover? It will cover the distance of its circumference. What circumference it will be having, that distance it will cover. So, here you see these circles you have, wheels you have. So, this in one revolution, if one complete revolution, it will complete 50 centimeter. This wheel will complete 60 centimeter. In the same way, this wheel will complete 75 centimeter and this wheel will complete 100 centimeter. Just you see 4 wheels you have. First wheel, smaller wheel you have, it will complete in one revolution 50 centimeter. Second 60 centimeter, third 75 centimeter and fourth 100 centimeter. In first revolution it is completing 50 centimeter, in second 100 centimeter, in third 150, in fourth 200. Likewise, multiples of 50 if you will get 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 and likewise multiples of 60 if you will get. So, you will get 120, 180 and so on. Here multiples of 75 if you will get 75, then 150, 225 and so on. Here 100, then 200, 300, 400 and so on, where they will be having common multiples. When these 4 wheels, what distance it is traveling in one revolution, when they will come, when they will be having common multiple, least common multiple, at that distance, what desired thing you had to find out, that you will get. You have to find out what least distance should they cover, so that each wheels makes a complete number of revolution. So, you find out LCM of this number, you will get the answer. So, 50, 75, 50, 60, 75 and 100 you have, you find out LCM of that. For getting the desired distance, we need to find LCM of 50, 60, 75 and 100. 50, 60, 75 and 100. So, 50, 60, 75 and 100. Find out. 5 10 ja 50, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. Then 5 2 ja 10, 12 you take down, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 3 you take down, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. Now, you see your LCM will be 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, LCM is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, you will have 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60 and 65 ja 300. 300 what you have? 300 centimeter you have, 300 centimeter. It means 300 centimeter means 3 meter you can write, or just you divide and write by 100. If you are dividing 300 centimeter, that will be 3 meter, and you need to write in proper way, answer what I said in proper way. How you will write? You see what you will write. What least distance should they cover? So, you will write the least distance they will cover 3 meter, so that each wheels makes a complete number of revolution. In that way you will need to write answer. So, in proper way, hence what I said, that thing is required to be written in proper way, and you need to write answer. So, I hope 5 questions what I have solved today you must have completed, and by this way we have completed this exercise also. Next day we will discuss next topic, but here till here you must revise again and again, and you try to understand. So, we will meet in next class. Till then, thank you.